When an owner is selling their business, they have two choices. They can choose between an asset purchase transaction and a stock or equity purchase transaction. What's better for the buyer is the exact opposite of what's better for the seller. So if we look at an asset purchase transaction, buyers prefer asset purchase transactions for two reasons. First, from an income tax standpoint, when a buyer purchases assets, they get to take the purchase price allocated among the assets purchased, and they get to take tax write-offs in the future that reduces the income that they pay tax on. In addition, from a liability standpoint, the buyer purchases specific assets and specific liabilities. And if there are any contingent liabilities or unknown liabilities, let's say it's a potential lawsuit, the buyer does not have any responsibility for that lawsuit. Now, the reason the seller doesn't like the asset purchase transaction is because it generally results in higher income taxes to the seller. For example, ordinary income on inventory and receivables, and they could have depreciation recapture. Now, the flip side with a stock purchase or an equity purchase, the buyer does not like a stock purchase agreement because, unlike an asset purchase, they do not get to take the purchase price allocated among assets that they get to take tax write-offs. Their purchase price is in the stock or the equity, and it's not offset until they sell the stock or equity in the future. Now, the buyer prefers the stock purchase because they will get long-term capital gain treatment when they sell it. They will not have ordinary income. From a liability standpoint, the seller would get any contingent liabilities, any unknown liabilities,